Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on hypothyroidism. It is very common in females surrounding us. Being a dietitian, everyone suffering from it always asks me what to do or what not to do in that case. So today I will give a basic idea about this disease and its diet. First we will know what is hypothyroidism. How we come to know that one have hypothyroidism. It is the decreased production of thyroid hormones. A high level of TSH indicates hypothyroidism. Which people get affected by hypothyroidism? It is most common in middle-aged and older women. Anyone can develop the condition, including infants. It affects 1 to 2% of people worldwide and 10% more likely to affect women than men. Causes of hypothyroidism. It is mainly caused by an autoimmune disease. Iodine deficiency is another cause of hypothyroidism. Symptoms of hypothyroidism: obesity, fatigue, dry skin, impaired memory, puffy face, depression, joint pain, constipation, excessive sleepiness is symptoms of thyroidism. Function of hypothyroidism. Thyroid plays an important role in metabolism. Thyroid hormones regulates body's metabolic rate, controlling heart muscle and digestive function, brain development and bone maintenance. Then how to cure hypothyroidism? Hypothyroidism we can cure a combination of the nutrients, medication and exercise. It can help restore thyroid function and minimize symptoms. Why exercise is beneficial for hypothyroidism patient? Because patients with hypothyroidism have a slower metabolism and burn fewer calories at rest. It may leave you tired, increase your cholesterol level, make it harder for you to lose weight. Moderate to high intensity exercise may boost up your thyroid hormone levels as well as may help speed up your metabolism. Research shows that cardiac and aerobic exercise are beneficial for patients with hypothyroidism. Important nutrients for optimal thyroid health. Mainly iodine is the most beneficial for hypothyroidism. Iodine. It is available in iodized salt, seafoods, egg, fish and dairy products. Selenium. Selenium is available in Brazil nuts, tuna fish, sardine, egg and legumes. Zinc is also necessary for optimal health of thyroid. Zinc is available in oyster, shellfish, beef and chicken. Protein is also very helpful in hypothyroidism. As hypothyroidism slows metabolic rates, higher protein diet help increase the rate of metabolism. So adequate amount of protein should give during planning of the diet of hypothyroidism. Foods to avoid. You should not take any kind of millets, high processed foods, any supplements without consulting your doctor. Excess amount of coffee, green tea and alcohol should not be taken. Foods with excess calories also harmful for hypothyroidism. What is goitrogens? Goitrogens is harmful as it hampers the function of thyroid. The name goitrogen comes from the term goiter, a iodine deficient condition of thyroid gland. Goitrogens are compounds that may interfere with the normal function of the thyroid gland. The food contain goitrogens are known irritants. If consumed in large amounts, many common foods contain goitrogens like soya foods, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, sweet potatoes, peanuts, strawberries, and pear. You should not take liberally. Now I am giving a idea about menu planning for a hypothyroid patient. Like in breakfast, you can take oatmeal with curd. In mid-morning, you can take any choice of your fruit like apple. In case of lunch, you should take boiled egg or grilled sea fish, salad, steamed vegetables, rice, 1 tablespoon. Evening snacks, toast with eggs. In dinner, you can take same as lunch. But one should remember that thing, the diet is necessary for diet is vary one to one because one thyroid patient have another disease also. So you should not take any you should not take diet without advice of your doctor or dietitian. Thank you for watching our slide. Turn on the notification button and please subscribe. Thank you.